doing today, Bot?
Well, Satisfactory, because Ben and I did a good amount of work yesterday.
You and Bin were actually productive?
I mean, I was productive. She was semi-productive. I don't know about her whole helter-skelter bullshit she built.
She built the spaghetti train. That's not okay.
No, and it's especially annoying because I built the rest of train, and it's a dead straight line except for the necessary curves. So...
Oh, hey, it connected to the server the first time without me having to go and do something else.
Nice. Bonk. Muted. Yeah, so, where are you at?
Crash desktop.
Really?
Yep.
That's not okay.
That happened while I was loading into the server. I was looking away from the screen. I think I heard the sound of something in the factory before it happened.
Interesting.
Try it again. I see, now it's going to make me go to a different menu before to load the server.
That's so weird.
Game.
There you are.
There we go. I exist! Where'd you put my shit?
It's right over here at the base of the ramp. I tried not to kill you. I really did.
Interesting that my Blade Runners got lost. Put that in my hands, put that in my hands, put that in my hands, put that in my hands. Coffee cup.
Alright, let's launch the space elevator, and then can I take you on a little tour of what we did yesterday and where we probably need to go from here? Ben is responsible for all this. So, although she did make an effort to run the conveyor belts somewhat neatly underneath the floor.
Yeah, well. What doth these make? Ah, parts.
Welcome to the Project Assembly Pioneer Progress presentation.
Oh.
Congratulations, the Phase 3 project part shipment is finally ready for delivery. On delivery, Phase 3 will be completed and the main body will be constructed. You should know how this works by now. You'll get access to Tiers 7 and 8.
Overpack!
In fact, perhaps you should just go look at the technologies there yourself. It's all laid out so that even a monkey could understand it, so you should have no issues.
I love these presentations.
Speaking of which, I don't think you need a reminder about project parts. Instead, I will be providing some interesting facts. Did you know the average pioneer succeeds at saving the day? Did you know the average pioneer knows how to optimize pipe throughput? Did you know the average pioneer stays late at work because they care about humanity? Anyway, I thought you might want to know more about your peers. Good luck in Phase 4.
Oh, I love these presentations. And send. Cool-wee. Yo, what's up? Hello. Is this my favorite game? No, it's not my favorite game. I love this game, but it's definitely not my fave. What do you think it's going to build this time?
It's gonna build the body, sir.
I mean, what does it look like? Also, I watched Let's Game It Out's new video, and I was cringing the whole time.
Oh yeah,
Phase
it's
3
brutal.
of Project Assembly completed. Fixit's predictions indicate pioneers should generally reach this point faster with above-average results, but we should all adjust our expectations according to the situation. It is understandable.
Tier 7
the
and
pressure
Tier
and
8.
complexity will only increase from here, so be sure to take on Phase 4 with efficiency and competence.
Alright, so what's up with technology options?
Well, hover pack is in tier 7. It requires aluminum. How much all-cloud aluminum sheet am I carrying? I've got some of that shit in my inventory.
Bauxite.
Not enough. So we'll need bauxite refinement.
Ugh.
Logistics Mark 5 also takes aluminum stuff. So aluminum's where we're going next.
So bauxite refinement milestone.
Yeah.
That much stuff is likely laying around the base right now.
Where the fuck did we put computer production again?
Computer production's under
Here.
the floor.
It's here.
Right here. How many do we need? 100? I got it.
Do we have motor production?
We should still have motor production. And I never stopped it, did you?
I don't remember where the hell it is.
I do.
You sure? Is it under the floor too?
Yes, it's under the floor.
Hang on. Yeah, it's down here. Motors.
I gotta see about snagging the,
I'll go get the rubber. I mean, let's do something.
Well, you were right there at the motors, so I thought you were gonna snag them.
Well, you ran up to the crate.
I got it. 50, 100, 50, 200, 50.
Actually, did y'all train the rubber here yet?
Train the what?
The rubber.
Oh, yeah. It's just probably not... It shouldn't be being... Well, no, it is being unloaded. I think it's being used for something.
Probably going into one of those manufacturers. I'll just go and grab some out of the train station, because presumably the train station's going to be full of it.
Maybe. I did completely drain Nitrus's storage containers at the oil plant.
Train station does have a few thousand.
I forgot what a bitch it is to get trains running properly on auto.
Oh, yeah. Whee!
And...
Button push!
Excellent.
Milestone reached. Bauxite is refined into aluminum products via a multi-step process.
Yes, it
Considering your
is.
past achievements, you should have the minimum required skill to
Indeed,
overcome
it is
these
a
new
multi-step
production challenges.
process.
If it helps, many others have done this before, so if you fail, someone else will eventually succeed.
Oh, those bauxite nodes are not close.
I mean, I'm thinking we just set that shit up the same way we did before, except make that floor higher, and pump the water up to the floor.
Yeah, do we want to run a train station over there, or do we want to set that up with the intention of droning it?
Drone.
Okay. Oh, I'm curious what you think about my aesthetic choice for the train station.
What do you mean?
Go check the colors and stuff.
I mean, it looks like a train station.
I did it with the coated concrete foundation, and everything has a Caterium finish. The train itself is chrome.
Problem I have right now is the lighting.
Yeah.
Let's see here. How high up is... One more. Train station needs to be 6 windows tall.
I would not put too much effort into finishing this building right now, because if we're going to do more than 2 train stations, it's going to have to be expanded.
What? We fit 3 in it before.
Yeah, it was not working the way the train tracks got laid. Or if you just want to finish it off like this and just leave this for something else.
It can at least get 3 walls on a roof. Or actually, it'll get 4 walls on a roof, and all I'll have to do is rip 1 wall out.
Fair enough. How high are you going?
6.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, I tried to keep with the original plan yesterday, and it was not working. Alright, kind of roof you want to put on this thing. Are we going flat, or...
I was just gonna use the floor.
Okay.
And then it'll need to be wired for lighting.
Well, I already have, like, preliminary light. Oops, that was not what I meant to do. Preliminary lighting is already wired. I just need to move it up. In fact, and we just unlocked wall outlet Mark III.
Nice.
Yeah, so I'm gonna... Oh, damn. We don't want to use those right now, though. Unless... high-speed connectors. Unless those are being made somewhere in excess and not uploaded, which is probably the case.
Are those part of a project part?
I think they might be. Let me have a look down under the floor real quick. No, circuit boards. Circuit boards are what are used to turn into high-speed connectors, right? Yeah, that's oscillators.
Yeah, so we probably don't have them.
Whatever, I'll wire it for Mark IIs right now, and it's easy to replace. And honestly, we should never need more than Mark IIs in there anyways.
No. The roof is complete.
Is it on fire, though?
No, sir. It should not be on fire at any point. Does this actually change color when you put black on it?
I really wish we had the... What do we have to do to get the hover pack? Can we just... Oh, we have to have the all-clad. God damn it. This thing will be a whole lot easier to wire when I can hover. Can we just come back to that in a little bit?
Yeah, and I think it might need to be 1 higher.
Alright, well, let's just leave it for now, and we'll come back to it a little later when we can hover. Because working up there
alright.
Right now is going to be fucking annoying.
Which way is the box site?
Come
on, thing.
How much fuel do you have in your jetpack?
I'm carrying 80.
We probably should secure a little more fuel before we go.
Boy, that is way the hell over there.
That's why I said we should get a little more fuel before we go, sir.
Is the packaged fuel here yet?
I didn't ship it here.
Alright.
I didn't set up a fluid car. We can. Or no, it's packaged. It's a solid car, isn't it?
Yep.
If you'll note the train line, it's nice and straight up there. The only places
Until it arrives at Bibis's bullshit.
I mean, take a look under the floor at how I handled the rubber and stuff. I was quite proud of myself. Have we managed to drain his fucking... This place is... It's not a mess, but Jesus Christ, is it complicated. No, we have not managed to drain his...
Where is the packaged fuel in this mess?
Is it making packaged fuel?
It was.
It's making fabric. That's rubber.
That's petroleum coke. It was making packaged fuel. I don't see it anymore.
Wait, here's the canisters. It's making them. It's over here. Here it is.
Jesus. This is fucking complicated.
That might be something
gonna-
to ship home.
I'm gonna head back to the main floor. Look at what materials we're gonna need to set up aluminum, and make sure that we either have it in the thingamajig or in my inventory. Gonna need a bunch of refineries.
Yep.
A
Did
whole
you,
fuck ton of refineries.
Did you enjoy that graph I showed you earlier this morning?
Yes.
Is this anything you can blueprint out before we go over there?
No. Because it's gonna have to get figured out on the spot.
Oh, also, do you have any biofuel on you?
Biofuel? No.
Yeah. Okay, I was gonna say either dump it or set your jetpack to prefer a certain type of fuel.
Motors. Do. Bunch of motors for a bunch of refineries. And what else? Gonna need minor Mark IIs. Got what I need for that. I'll slap down a...
I'm gonna
workshop
duck under
out there.
the floor and set some motors to be uploaded real quick too. All right.
Yeah, it's a good idea. You could just probably put it... I would say branch straight off of the thing making them.
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't have a sloop. And it's not overclocked. Can it be overclocked? Looks like it can be overclocked.
Fuck. Can I make a crafting bench down here?
It's making 12.5 per minute now. We'll see if it starts running down its resources. How are we doing on power? Should still be really good, right?
Should be. So am I just pulling straight off the assembly line here? Or do you want me to pull from the storage container?
Pull from the storage container.
Alright. Oh, come on.
Are you looking at the floor or the line?
I'm looking at the line. There it goes. Where did my conveyor belt tool set go? Perfect.
Let's see, too. I'm gonna go ahead and make some of those portable miners. I don't know how many I'm gonna make. Maybe like 15,
What are you making?
16 portable miners for the miner Mark IIs.
Ah.
If you sense your productivity slipping when it gets dark, don't worry, this is perfectly natural. Fortunately,
just buy some lights or
fixit
something?
lights allow you to never experience wasteful darkness ever again.
Give bots a second. Let's see. Do.
Holy hell, is YouTube actually that far behind or is it me? It's me. Okay. It's like I'm looking at Twitch and you buying stuff in the awesome shop. On YouTube, I'm watching you putting down the thingamajig for the motors.
Wow.
Is it defaulting to... Yeah, it's defaulted to HD again. Stop that. It keeps having to... What the fuck just happened to my Firefox window? That was weird. Alright, refresh. 480p. That's how I keep falling behind on YouTube, is just that it keeps buffering. Alright, water extractors. We'll need water extractors. Motors, plate, and copper. The copper's in the thingamajig, and I'm carrying enough motors and... Or rotors, not motors. Rotors and plate for that.
You don't
What else?
happen to have a fix-it ticket on you, do you?
No, sir, I do not.
God damn it.
Alright.
Oh, wait, hold on a sec. That did it.
What are we doing?
I have a
What do you
plan.
need?
Calm down.
No, because I hate it when you do this bullshit. It's obnoxious.
Eh.
Cold 2 pounds.
There. Now then.
Oh, I never made a,
Now we just need...
Yikes.
Now we just need some computers. Can you find the heavy modular frames to put in the thing?
Oh, did you just buy the aluminum?
Yes. I noticed that you could get 200 of it for 2 tickets. Seemed like a pretty fair deal to me, considering I had a ticket on me already. Don't you agree?
Eh.
I mean, we bought everything else. Are you getting motors, or should I pull the 200? Never mind.
I already had 300 on me.
Launch that bitch.
Milestone reached. The hover pack draws energy from nearby power connections, and so can only be used in their vicinity. It provides an excellent vantage point of your work,
I'm making 2
which you
hover packs.
clearly need.
Awesome, thank you, sir.
Otherwise, you would have optimized that obvious problem by now.
I'll make 3.
No, you're being,
I'll drop 2 in the hub box. Of course, we're not going to be able to use the hover packs yet to get to aluminum. We'll have to set everything up out there.
Yeah, no, but thank you. Logistics Mark 5 next.
Yeah, probably.
I'm gonna dump the, wait, is that not? Oh, that's alkylate aluminum. Alright. Wait, why were you not? Oh, it's not here. Duh. Alright.
Motor manufacturer is still getting its allotted amount of stuff, so the overclock is okay, it seems.
Nice.
Alright, let me look back through this stuff because I just wasted some mats. Make sure I have all the mats I need. I don't think I need a foundry, we just need smelters out there. Wire. Is wire in the thingamajig? Or cable?
Wires in here, cables in here, concrete's in here. You gonna need copper sheet or reinforced iron plate for anything?
Yeah, but I've got plenty of it on me.
Okay.
Okie doke.
Would you care to be nice to the Binnis and explore what she's done at her factory?
what factory?
Her boom factory. I mean, we're going that way anyways.
Are we?
Where's the bauxite?
Bauxite is like southwest.
Yeah, her boom factory is in this, I mean, this general direction. We can start out from here. Also, if you want some bombs, she's got plenty of them out here.
Which way is it?
Take the tube and then come up the ramp.
Oh. Is it not marked on my compass?
I thought she marked it.
She marked it, but probably didn't set it to appear on the compass.
Well, it's pretty obvious which way it is.
Yeah, yeah. Bonk.
Yeah, I did the exact same thing.
I like the fences.
Yeah, I think
It's like we're at the zoo.
It is. I think she's done a rather nice job out here. Plus, it makes it easy to get out here and pick up booms without having to deal with the wildlife.
Ibis is good at aesthetic things.
Yeah, well, check the thing in the back right when you walk in the door.
That's not bombs. That's not bombs. Which one has bomb? That one has bomb. Bomb. It's not black, though.
I know.
Alright, let's see here. Scanner ping, bauxite. 514 meters west. It'd probably be best if we do set it up at the old spot. I'm just not sure if that is the old spot.
That can't be the old spot. It's way too close.
Let's see, where are we looking here? I don't remember where the old spot is.
The old spot is fucking. I think that's it. This lake down here.
Which lake?
This lake right here.
Am I looking at stream or am I looking at the map?
Looking at stream. Let's see what this one that's right here looks like, and then we can make a determination.
Yeah, gonna have to climb.
It's 296 meters. Okay.
Ping it again, see for myself. Ah, that way. That's a rock covering something. That! I walked too far. Rock covering nothing?
Somebody may have gotten whatever was there before already by blowing up another rock.
Ping again, because now we can just go in a straight line. That way! Oh, it's right here. normal bauxite node. Let's go take a look at that one 350 meters this way. Purple boy! Purple boy just sitting on the floor. What's he protected by? Ah! Big chunkus.
Bot love explosive rebar.
Impure.
The fuck is this power line going?
My second power plant.
Ah. Bees. Big chunkus over there to our left. Protecting a summer sloop.
Loop.
God, I love this explosive rebar.
This one we're headed towards is the one we used. I recognize the area we're standing in now. Bro, these fucking beehives are way too resilient. Oops. Hang on. Hang on. Hey. Fucking bees.
Ow. Do I have no
Ow.
food equipped? Oh, great.
Neither do I. Shit. Nuts? Nuts anywhere? Nuts. Where's your doggo?
Right, well, the beehive's gone.
Yeah, there's uranium up here somewhere, too.
Yep. Ow, what the f...
There it is. Yeah, uranium's over there with a geyser.
Ah!
Ow! Alright.
Jesus.
Bauxite. Bauxite. And then if you go southeast, that should be the drop-off to the lake. Bauxite's protected by a big asshole and a beehive.
I find the beehives are easier to take down with the Xenobasher.
Okay, if you're just gonna stand there and stomp your feet, I'm just gonna blow you up, buddy.
I'll get the beehive.
Boom.
Yeah, the beehives
Alright.
seem to be easier to take out with the Xenobasher.
Eh, normal bauxite, that's fine. Alright, me slap down a miner. Guess it'll face that away. Zoom in on the map.
Should run some power towers from your power plant to over here. I can work on that. Where is that power plant?
It's marked on the compass.
Okay. Oh, 2 coal, 2 power.
Yes. Alright, got a marker for bauxite.
Oh, I see it. When the hell did you build this?
It was during a stream.
Was that one when I was out exploring or something?
I think you and Bennis were doing something. It was one of the ones that Nitrous was on. Or at least he was in chat, I think. I don't remember. Yep, here's the big drop-off, and there's the lake. Someone's already been down here, too. There's a ramp. And there are the quartz nodes that we used, too. There is only one Bob in the Bob spa now.
That's disappointing.
Alright. Floor is gonna go right the fuck here. I hear Why do I hear spiders? Is there a cave here?
Yes, there is a
up
cave
there.
around there somewhere.
I'm pretty sure it's right below me. Right. Let the floor begin. Wah!
Oh, no, we're not playing this fucking game. There's more of them.
Where did it come from? Oh, they came from up there.
Well, that's fucking horrifying, and I hate it.
Clear these fucking plants real quick.
The fuck?
What?
That Nobilis just stuck to an invisible wall in midair.
Oh, they've been doing that a lot. Alright, the bauxite node is overclocked. It's only going to give us 300 per minute because it's normal.
Yeah, the hitboxes for the rocks, the boulders, aren't clearing properly. Alright, well, we're clear on top of this now. Okay. Ah, yes. I remember what a fucking mess this place was last time.
The challenge here is going to be getting the water up here.
Yeah, that's
It's not going to be that much of a challenge.
No, it's just going to require significant head lift and...
Finesse.
Is it a Mercer sphere? It is not. The uranium's on top of the rise that's opposite the one I just cleared, isn't it?
No. The uranium is actually down low just past the bauxite.
Is it? What's on top of this one over here?
Something. Could be more uranium. Don't know.
Hey, bud.
Hello, friend.
Oh, bomb stuck to your face. That's an unfortunate accident. Those guys really should be more careful.
OSHA would like a word.
I have a feeling that any OSHA inspectors that tried to come here would find themselves disappeared by Ada.
Right.
Slug.
This is as far out as I'm going to go for now. Actually, I need to wait. It's just not enough concrete in the thingamajig right now. I've just used all of it.
Jesus. I see that it has its traditional name.
Yes, yeah. Alright, let me get the bauxite from over there to over here real quick. Not even worth. I was just looking at Logistics Mark 5 going, it's not even worth buying the parts for that because the conveyors take the aluminum sheet.
Yeah, it's... That's... I think this is the part last time where we realized we needed a serious ramp up all around.
Okay, the bauxite is here. Next up, water.
Okay.
Oh, I don't have a wall hotbar. That's annoying. Fix that. One, two. I don't need a lot. I got my foundation hotbar. That one's got my foundation hotbar. Give me number root.
God damn, that's annoying.
What?
The, thing with the, Nautilus just sticking to midair. Oh, fuck. Thanks for just spawning him in with no notice game.
I mean, that's what it does. Alright, time to put on the hover pack.
Wow, that did nothing, game. Right. Well, coming down. There's a Mercer sphere right here.
Alright, we have power
And
all the way
there's a-
down to the water.
Ah! Save me, bacon. Ow. Ooh, slug.
Bob, I'm afraid it's time for you to go. What's mad at me?
Ow!
Oh. There's an angry boy under the water. I feel like that's not fair. He's chasing you. Oh, there are several angry things over there. What the fuck? Up against the cliffside. They guarding something over there? Nee, 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 nee. Yeah, that's the Uranium cave. Undead. Hold still, you dickheads. Ow! Rude. Now you're dead. There we go. That's that problem solved. Dougly.
Hoverpack, how I've missed you.
Let's see here. How's the range on this thing? Out here.
Yeah. I missed the hoverpack. Well, you've got 1,000 concrete back in the Dimensional Depot.
Excellent. Alright, got some power set up over the water. Tractors. Many, many, many extractors. Ah, shit. I'm gonna rerun that pipe. Why am I leaving dismantled boxes?
Because your chalk inventory is full?
Yep.
Okay, so there you go. I have finished out the outline of the floor you had put up.
Thank you, sir.
And it took a whole shitload of concrete.
Oh, yeah, hence the depot running out.
I kind of want to make this a steel wall.
You can change this color if you want.
I mean, I'm talking about changing the material.
You can change its material if you want. Oops. Mind. So you can change the material without rebuilding, can't you?
Yeah, I've already done most of it.
Yeah. Oh, why didn't that one build right?
It's too bad we can't really do
Weird.
much to the pipes.
You can color them, can't you?
Yeah, what color would you like them? Black like
I
our
mean-
souls? Carbon steel? Chrome? Copper?
You can just pick some. I'm fine with them the way they are.
You have to have some sort of opinion here, man.
I like the orange. It's bright.
Well, we'll leave it then.
Alright, let's see.
Yeah, the one thing you
How
could...
to do the extractors.
Color coding them if we were doing something more complicated would be a good idea, but I don't think we're going to need that.
That may indeed be water. Try submerging your arm. If
Thank
it does
you,
not
Ada.
dissolve, that will narrow down the range of possibilities. Or you could just pipe it to a coal-powered generator and see what happens.
What is Mark 2 pipe carry? 600 per minute.
I'm going to make a run back to... Do you have any power slugs on you?
Yes. And the slugs, yes.
Yeah, upload them. I'm going to make a run back to base and transform what we've got. I love that the cyber wagon thing is still on the map, even though it is at the bottom of the fucking ocean.
Six water extractors.
Well, I'm going to stop and pick up some bacon, too. Bacon.
Bacon.
Yeah, the area outside Bennis's bomb factory is a great place for it. And pale berries. This place is much nicer, all cleared out. We never did fully clear it in the last save. We just kind of left it and hover packed over it.
Yeah.
Because these big power poles actually make the zipline tool kind of practical for traversal over long distances.
I think it's probably largely the point.
Yeah, because I mean we never used them that much in the old save once we got jetpacks. All right. You get all your slugs uploaded?
Yeah.
Alright, that's 28 more power shards going up to the cloud, so... we should be good for a while on those. Hopefully.
I mean, I'm already carrying like 150, so.
Oh! I know she's making these things somewhere. I saw them.
Radar tower unlocked. The tower reveals resource nodes and other useful information on the map in a set radius from its location.
Whee! Just gonna finish off this to-do list while I'm over here for this research tree.
I thought copper sheet was going into the depot.
I thought it was. I'll check on it.
Object scanner magnetic sensitivity increased. It can now detect the signal of any hard drives at crash sites in your region.
It is not.
Oh, shit. Can you put it in the thing?
Yeah.
Because I am now out.
And I've got some uploading manually while I sort out exactly how to deal with this. I didn't mean to get sucked into the tube. God damn it. Let me out. And CTD.
Oh, lovely.
And should be back. Okay, we now have copper sheet auto uploading.
Excellent.
Alright, headed back your way.
Alright, water is going all the way to the top.
How many pumps did that take?
Across 3 pipes, it has taken 12.
That's why you used up so much copper sheet.
Oh no, the pumps don't even take copper sheet.
Ah, I thought they did.
Nope, it's just the pipes.
Well, the pipes
So
are
many
nothing
pipes.
but really big copper sheet.
Yeah. Alright, so we've got water and we've got bauxite. Now to figure out how many refineries we can use. We're getting 300 units of bauxite per minute. Gonna adjust that. I don't like how far out these power bills are.
You're only feeding this with that one bauxite node right now, right?
Currently. It would be wise to have a second one. Because these conveyors do carry 480 per minute. And then once we've got aluminum up, we'll have Logistics Mark 5, and I'm pretty sure those carry 600 per minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we slap down a refinery. An extractor. Smart 2, there's the refinery.
Ah, there she is. Oh, this one's pure.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
One fully overclocked alumina solution refinery uses 300 bauxite per minute.
Alright, Chunk, this is where this line is at right now. I'll let you pipe it where you want. I'm going to go hook power up.
Okay.
I considered, pulling a let's game it out and piping it all the way around, and then I was like, no, I don't want to be that guy. Now I just got to figure out where the easiest place to get power from is. I'm a little surprised I can't see any of my big power poles from right here. Oh, hello, Rick. Cooling system. Aluminum casing. Modular frames. Turbo motors. Quartz crystal. And it needed a turbo motor to open for the hard drive.
Neat.
Oh, call this wreck done and dusted then. You want me to overclock this miner?
Well, yeah.
Right. On the way, sir. Oh, you still haven't connected it yet.
No, I'm busy with pipes.
I could just bring it along and into the over here and bring it in parallel with this line, like have it turn right here.
Yeah, just bring it in.
Alright. Try not to step on your toes with your design. You have a grand chonk vision, whereas I am merely a mortal bot.
The Grand Chunk Vision is currently focusing on pipes. And more pipes. And oops, that's not right.
And CTD.
Boy. Evidently the game just says fuck you today.
A bin crashed, 3 or 4 times the other day. Wait till it says there's only one player. You know, I think the thing that made Josh's new playthrough even more painful is that he started in the same spot we did. And so it was just like, oh, God. And also the constant deleting of the hub before the ship could land.
Yeah. Alright, the water is connected. These are each getting 600 per minute. How much can they use? 450 per minute. Hang on. Math.
Your greatest enemy. The maths.
Yeah, because we have exactly enough water for 4 fully overclocked refineries making alumina solution. I've just got to figure out how to pipe this one in.
Add 2 more pumps and another pipe.
Well, no, I just need to get these pipes routed.
Okay.
There's enough water across those 3 pipes for this to work. I've just got to figure out exactly how to route it so that they all get enough water. The pipes are going to need to have junctions that connect each other.
Ah. Gotcha.
I see. I see. Okay.
There we go.
That's gonna be vaguely dissatisfying, but it'll have to do.
Yes, mini grid.
Huh. Can I not make those longer?
Is that as long as it's going to let you make them? Is it?
It doesn't let you make those longer.
What?
The wall supports cannot be made longer.
They can't drop down at all? That's
No. That's obnoxious.
going to be a little annoying here in a minute.
I'm just gonna do a weird little solution to it. It'll be fine.
Huh. Oh yeah, that's not actually a bad plan. It'll at least give you the clearance you need.
It's about how low I need the pipes to go there. Actually. Can I build a pipeline all the way from there to... Not quite. Oops. Is click. I'm standing on something. I don't know what.
Yep, you're standing on the cliff, sir.
Just the sound of the hover pack suddenly stopped. I was vaguely concerned. Okay.
You're still in range that you can take off again, aren't you?
Yeah. I touched down, so that was the problem.
Can we get rid of that wall support that it used? Yes, we can. There you go. Magic pipes.
Far enough away that it's not going to snap that. It's a little annoying, but it's fine.
Oh, let's go see what the ma'am got for us. Alternate crystal computer. Alternate recycled rubber. The recycled rubber is definitely a no-go. It's 6 plastic. And is that... Yeah, 6 plastic, and then fuel and rubber. 3 circuit boards and 1 crystal oscillator for 2 computers. I'm going to rescan on this one.
It's too short. Really? It's obnoxious. What do you mean it's too short?
Hey, Chonk.
What?
We just got an alternate recipe for sloppy alumina.
Okay.
10 bauxite and 10,000 water for 12 alumina solution.
Hang on.
It's up on stream right now if you want to look at it.
Alumina solution. I'm gonna pull those back out, actually. Say it again.
10 bauxite, 10 water for 12 alumina solution.
What's the downside?
I don't see a downside to this one.
Grab it.
Selected.
Oh, it has no byproduct. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Hang on. No, yeah, it's got no byproduct. It doesn't make silica. Interesting. Because the normal one produces 5 silica. This just produces aluminum with less material.
Yeah, I remember the silica production being annoying last time because we had to find ways to get it out of there.
I mean, we were just dumping it into sinks. That was literally it.
Yeah.
Because if you remember, just over that way, there are 2 big-ass pure quartz nodes.
Mm-hmm.
2 or 3, actually. Well, shit.
Is this going to require some reconfiguration?
Yeah, it uses less... Well, no, hang on. Yeah, it uses less material. Or does it? Hang on, how? That produces 300 per minute. This produces 600 per minute.
I mean, the alternate recipes aren't always worse. You realize that.
What's also capable of it needs more material.
Yeah.
Shut up, Google. I didn't ask you anything.
Not producing the byproduct is a big advantage, though.
hang on. So that overclock is using 300 bauxite and 450 water per minute. If I tune this to
That's
use...
Escobar. I'm hoping to get that recipe before I start on my aluminum setup. We literally got lucky getting it out of that scan right when we're in the process of setting up here. So welcome.
225% clock speed. 225 is what we need for these to use the same amount of... no? Yes? Oh, I need to change the recipe on these. Sloppy alumina.
Also need to power these bad boys.
Yeah, don't worry about it. We'll get there eventually. 225. Clock speed. 225. Okay. That's going to use 450 water and 450 bauxite per minute.
Ugh.
We can't produce that. Or we can't transport it.
Not until
What
we
we can do initially is just set up 2 of these things.
So you want to run it until we can get Logistics Mark V?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's fire 2 of them up.
Finish plumbing this. So these pipes should be filled with water. They are.
Yep.
I'll
looking
run
good there.
the 2 on the left, I guess.
Alright.
Let me rejigger this just a little bit. Just a teensy-weensy bit. I love remembering that middle click is a thing. Oops. Nah, no. That's not straight. Build mode straight.
Alright. You want to just slap him into a dimensional depot for right now, or?
What, the refineries?
No, the aluminum. Oh wait, no, that's the solution. Sorry, my brain.
Yeah, that's the solution.
My
We gotta-
brain's a step ahead. Sorry.
There is another step, sir.
Yes, yes. All right, so filling up. All right.
Go ahead and power all of them. Why not?
I mean, the grid can handle the power, especially if they're not actually producing.
All right. More refineries. All right, hang on. How much aluminum solution am I making here?
You're gonna be up
540 per minute out of 2, so 1,080.
which is gonna translate to how many refineries?
We'll find out. I'm just gonna slap one down and see. That's gonna make aluminum scrap. Fully overclocked, one will take 600 aluminum per minute, so we need 2 of them not quite fully overclocked.
Right. You're gonna leave room to actually expand it when the other 2 come online, because you're gonna need to offset a little bit for that, aren't you?
No.
Oh no, that's right. No byproduct. It can just be a 1-to-1.
Yeah. The refineries that are making 540 per minute. How down do you need to be to use 540 per minute? You need to be, is it 225? Is it actually 225? It is actually 225. That's amazing. They're all going to be 225.
Oh, they did a balancing pass. I think you weren't paying attention to the game as much when they did it to make some of the overclocking numbers make more sense and be more consistent.
Okay. Oops. Wrong hotbar.
So there comes the aluminum scrap.
God, I've missed hoverbacks.
Right?
Nope, you're not centered. Fuck you.
Oh boy.
No, it's just a power line. Boom, 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 boom.
Now, where are you getting the coal from for this?
Oh shit! I forgot about the coal.
Hold on, I'm scanning. There's a coal node 349 meters to our north and one 462 to our west.
Okay, let me go ahead and wire these in. Then set up a floor hole.
Battlefield.
Alright, let's see here. Coal, which way was that? You said north?
North-ish.
Ping!
It's
That's probably the coal. There's, yeah, 430 and then 346.
Yeah.
How much coal do we need? Yikes.
A lot, I believe.
270 per alumina solution thing. So we're looking at using
Radiation.
potentially both of these coal nodes.
Fuck me.
There's the problem with the power towers. They're too far apart.
I mean, I just zipline between the power towers.
I lost track of where that coal was already. Ah, over there. Hello, coal. Jetpack back. Blow up some of this vegetation real quick.
Listen, asshole.
Look, man, we don't need the vegetation.
Not you.
I know. What are you doing over there? Oh, Jesus. Hey, buddy. Bigger problem.
Radioactive Big Chungus.
Yeah, I'm trying to head over here so I can swap back to my hoverback. Come here, motherfucker. Ow! There we go.
Man, fuck that guy in particular.
Right. Is there an actual uranium node here, or is it just the rocks?
Nah, I think it's just the rocks.
Number 4 hotbar. Doop, 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 doop. And
I'm assuming you want to overclock this thing?
yep, I just forgot to.
I got it. Ugh, this one's an impure. Ah! Jesus Christ, everything just spawned on it all at once. Not cool. Is it even worth using this one?
Which one?
This one that I'm on top of, it's an impure coal node.
Probably, unless there's another one.
Let me get rid of this asshole and then I'll scan again. Nope, it's just this one. Alright, well, that's just going to be the way that is then. Am I really missing portable miners? Alright, well, we'll fix that real quick. Oh, wait, that's the equipment bench that makes those.
Oh shit, right, the water output.
Alright, here's your other coal, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, gee, okay, that's not okay.
What, you mean the asshole spitting at us down there?
He's guarding a Mercer sphere, too.
Useful.
Alright, they're clear. Got the Mercer Sphere. How are you doing up here, my good man?
God, we have to pipe water back around.
Oh, that's why we had the fluid buffers on this thing.
Yeah. Whoops.
Do you want to go for the buffer stack solution again, or...?
Well, we need to pipe the water back around and then... Because we can use the water to make them go faster.
Right. Let me see. Well, that's interesting. Are you seeing... Well, you're a mod. You're probably seeing the same thing I am on Twitch.
Oh, interesting.
Now, how are you going to pipe it back around, though, without it just... the current pipes flowing into these?
That was part of the buffer solution. The buffer stack was tall enough that there was no possibility of backflow.
The buffer stack was pretty fucking big from what I remember.
It was like 5 tall.
And that was the big ones, wasn't it?
Industrial fluid buffers. Because I piped it up.
Yeah.
How much do these hold each? 2,400. Take 10 minutes for each of those refineries to fill this up. Fill up one. Well, no, less than 10 minutes because of 270 per minute. Okay, I remember how this works.
That is a big old stack of buffers. Alright.
Oh, that's obnoxious.
Hmm.
It's not gonna let me put the junction there.
Really?
Yeah.
Yes, dog.
Wait, what?
What?
Why can't I put one there?
Hold on a sec. That's just the pipeline, normal pipeline junction, right?
Yeah. I replaced that and it's happy with it now.
Okay, but who knows, man? Who knows?
Oh, that's annoying. It's too tall. Well, no. It's dumb as hell, but it works.
I mean, I've seen shit like that in actual industrial plants in real life, so it's not as dumb as you think.
Actually, you know what? Because this floor is elevated, we can be underneath the floor.
Oh, yes, we can.
Alright, so currently these are making 810 aluminum scrap per minute each. So, Jesus Christ, 1620.
Right.
So
next,
bar
it's-
number 3. Smelters. Do you need power for me to select a recipe? No? Oh, it's just minimum. Wait. Is it not smelters? Is it founders?
Yeah, I think it is, because isn't it a 2...
Oh shit, that's right. It does take the silica.
Okay. I wonder what the alternate recipe for it is.
I mean, we don't have one.
I know.
Well, let's see here. The most it can use for aluminum scrap per minute is 225. 1620 divided by 225 is 7.2, so we'll set up 8 and then underclock. Or not fully overclock.
We would need the pure aluminum recipe to cut out the silica. So, do we retool to make the silica here and just go with it?
That's what I'm looking at.
How much of the silica does it output as a byproduct on that recipe?
5. I mean, we could just set up a quick silica line and run it up here from those quartz nodes over there.
Just to get the... Yeah. Well, I need to take a break. Dog's starting to squirm around, and I don't like that. So I'll be back in just a minute. I'm gonna perch right here. We'll be back, chat. Well. I have flavor blasted goldfish.
Celebration.
What's the update? What can I help with?
I'm working on getting quartz over here.
Oh, there you are. You gonna do one belt, or how many belts are you gonna bring over?
2.
2.
Because each of these, the way we have it set up right now, is going to use 100 silica per minute, so we'll need 2 separate belts.
So you're gonna lift them at the edge of the platform.
Yeah, the quartz is going to come up here to this new subfloor,
All right.
and then silica will be made up here.
I was just trying to get an idea of where I needed to start heading the belts to.
Yeah, I'll start dropping a couple elevators down from here.
Are we lagging?
What do you mean?
I've tried to build this belt a couple times and it won't do it.
Don't seem to be.
There it goes. It's just being stubborn.
Ah, balls. This floor needs to be 1 level lower.
Alright. There's my belts. Quartz is on the way up. And we won't talk about it what it looks like coming over here. Deal?
I know what you're talking about.
Alright, so this is going to need the old... Damn it! Right as I was clicking on it.
Silica.
Are both of those down there fully overclocked?
No, none of them are.
Do you want them overclocked? I mean, the quartz miners.
Oh, yeah, they are, yeah.
There.
One's a pure node, one's a normal node.
Nah, that would explain the imbalance. Alright. One, two, three, four, five, six. Are we feeding all 8 of these right now?
What, the foundries?
Yeah.
That is the plan.
Okay. Ah, yes, I see the balancing being done.
Oh, whoops.
Don't forget you can copy and paste the overclock settings without having to open the building.
How do you paste without opening? And you just look at it and press Control-C?
I think you have to open one to copy, but then you can look at them and press Control-V to paste.
Ah. Although you still have to put in the overclocks, so... Alright. So, 93.75 silica per minute per one of these things. And 8.75 times 6 is 562.5.
The way you've got these
Which
set
is
right
not
now-
enough.
No, these need 99.7 per minute.
That's the way they're set now.
Right.
I need, like... I guess I'll make 4 more constructors over here, I guess. Two in each direction. Actually, can I go 2 in this direction? Yeah, I can.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, never mind. You don't have to put the overclocks in. You can just look at them, press Control-C, Control-V.
Ah.
Control-C, Control-V, Control-V. Yeah, so it's just taking the overclocks from me and putting them in there. Dope.
I just made you even more efficient, huh?
Indeed. Tis always appreciated, sir.
You're welcome. I honestly thought you knew that.
I knew you could copy and paste. Didn't know you could do it without looking in the machines. So now we're outputting 750 per minute. Hang on, I placed that wrong. Did I?
1, 2, 3, 4.
It can go there, it just needs to go this way instead. Oops. It's just that one was faced the wrong way. Hey. 5 per thingamajig.
Alright.
Make clean with and use some elevators. Why not? Now to figure out exactly how to run it. Oops. Do 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 bum bum beat 'em. Slightly too long. Alright, is it gonna snap a splitter at that distance? Hey, it is! Look at that!
Okay.
The fuck is that?
How
How dare you let me do that game?
Right, that was some bullshit.
Alright. These guys are all running. Check on the buffer stack.
And we're finally making aluminum ingots. How's the stack?
Your output is filling up. It's 5 points per minute. Oh yeah, no, I had to turn these down because we can't. These were outputting more aluminum scrap than we could Transport. Turn these down to 133. And then these are going to be seeing their outputs filling up. Alright, and then the all-clad aluminum sheet. Let me look at fucking parts. Aluminum.
Needs copper.
The aluminum casings are what goes straight from aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
I try to make them per 4 right now. 79.8.
The all-clad aluminum sheet that we need for this milestone can be made by hand.
Yeah, it can be. If you want to head back and do that, I can start work on
Yeah,
first getting some fucking storage for these ingots. Because that'll be handy dandy.
Yeah. I'm just going to leave that there. So that if you decide you want to use it, you can break it down. I'll have, at the very least, you do need to upload some for me, though, so I can work on it.
Oh, ingots?
Yeah, I'll need the ingots back at base to be able to do all the other stuff I need to do.
I've dropped in 200 ingots. Drop in another 200. Huh, you can't control-shift-click into the thingamajig.
Really?
No. Oops.
I don't like oops. What is oops?
No, I just put those containers too close to the smelters, the foundries. Need a conveyor merger.
Alright, let's see. Reinforced plate is below the floor somewhere. And then I need some copper. All right.
All right, we've got 2 7-tower stacks built for the ingots.
Perfect.
Milestone reached. Fixit dedicated this milestone to the conveyor belt and lift Mark 5. They may be implying that your factory could be further optimized. While they are correct, I believe they are setting unreasonable expectations. Having all of humanity very definitely relying on your work is a lot of pressure.
780 resources
It's
per
a good
minute.
thing I'm here.
All right, so tier 7 hazmat suit, 3 inventory slots, and then the control development system.
Just pick something.
Coal. Really?
What of it?
Coal.
What about coal?
I need, let's see. I need to make 50 gas filters. And I need 4 coal for each. So, I guess I'll just go steal some.
Oh, there's a copper node underneath the floor.
Well, that's useful.
I mean, it's just right the fuck there. Cool. So this side will be for the alkali aluminum sheet.
155. All right, let's see. I have the aluminum casings in my inventory from finding them somewhere.
Yeah. Handy dandy rec sites.
There's the gas filters done, right? Okay. And quickwire. We are making quickwire somewhere.
Yeah. It's going into a box. Okay.
Yeah, there it is. Whee! Alright, as soon as the drone lands, I've got this next milestone done. Is there
I
anything...
think we've made the same inconsequential mistake that we made in the old save.
What's that?
Overdoing aluminum production.
Oh, yeah?
I don't think we need 4 aluminum refineries. I think the 2 that are running now are going to be fine. They're at 133. We're making... How much fucking aluminum ingots per minute? 79.8 times 8? 638 per minute. And then the all-clad aluminum sheet. If I set up one assembler, it's going to use 75 ingots per minute.
Now just remember, the all-clad aluminum sheet is what you need to make Mark 5s, conveyor belts.
Yeah, so we do need a lot of it, but we don't need... I mean, we can up our aluminum output with just the 2 refineries. I'm gonna back down this line and undo a little bit.
Why don't you just take the parts of it that we don't need, like, just shut them down for right now, instead of deconstructing them?
Yeah, I mean, these 2 refineries can just be powered off, and that's it.
Yeah.
Now I need to get that copper up here.
Milestone reached. The hazmat suit protects the wearer from radiation by consuming iodine-infused filters. You may find this protection essential if you are going to finally get around to saving humanity. I previously gave you compliments in an attempt to inspire you, but it might have given you the wrong idea. I will definitely be totally honest with you from this moment on. Here is a demonstration of a truthful compliment. That suit looks like it was made for you. Because it was.
Oh, lordy. Alright. So... Is that nuclear pasta up there in Phase 4?
Yes.
Yeah, so we do need the sheeting and the casings being made. Rubber. Smokeless powder. Motors.
Rifle and rifle ammo unlocked. A long-range weapon and rapid-fire ammunition, only to be used for the defense or acquisition of fix-it property. Conveniently, this includes everything of value on this planet.
Well, at least Fix-It is honest.
Yeah.
I'm inflating your pocket dimension, sir.
Oh my.
Pocket dimension inflated by utilizing numinous gel hydrology channeled through an etheric spigot. Some used to say this as impossible, but the meaning of that word has long since been removed from my dictionary.
More pockets.
Whee! Alright. Auto save complete. Thank you, server. Just a slug that Menace never collected, even though she was clearly right here.
Yep. That tracks.
Well, she apparently asked if you appreciated the train in the Discord server.
No.
She knew you weren't going to appreciate the way it goes to the station. We all know that. I had to ride in the damn thing while I was trying to get the train to work. It's horrible. It rocks up and down the whole time. Excuse me, Mr. Chonkatix. May I have your attention on the main floor, please?
No.
But I brought you something.
You can bring it down here.
No, because it'll fall.
I mean, there is a floor down here, sir. I have made one. You can even fly down to it. Need capper. Thank. Gun. Don't remember how effective this thing actually is. We'll find out.
I want to know how effective its smart ammo is. Unfortunately, we need turbo fuel for that.
I don't know why, but I thought you were about to say turbo diabetes.
Turbo diabetes? Yeah, oh, excuse me, there's turbo rifle ammo. There is another type of ammo in here somewhere. Oh, wait a minute. Is that just... Hold on a fucking minute. Where is that? Sometimes this game's inventory is hard to parse on a 4K monitor.
Yeah.
I was looking at the wrong thing. Hold on, Chunk. I'm gonna go see if I can make our guns even more effective. Also, there's a slug behind this waterfall. Rifles are reasonably effective, man.
I remember it used to be fucking useless.
They used to be what? Useless?
Yeah.
No, I just killed one of those big guys in a clip and a half. If you get ADS, it'd probably be a little better, but that's not what this game is about, so... Bacon. in my to-do list again?
I don't remember.
Alright. So 10 high-speed connectors. Okay, we can clear the to-do list. High speed. Let's see, I need 2,000 quick wire. And I need to change my headset battery. There we go. And, yep, back. And I need 100 cable. And 10 circuit boards. Is that it? Surely this can't be this easy. Where are we making circuit boards? Did I not grab the cable? I say, Chunk.
You say.
I say.
Ah.
Yes. And now I just need to make 500 more rifle ammo. Which I could make 3,000 of, so I think we'll be okay.
Probably.
Homing rifle ammo unlocked. This ammo can be loaded into a normal rifle and, when fired, will seek a target. Clarification. This does not make the rifle a homing rifle. If you leave the rifle alone, even when loaded with this ammo, it will not return home like a devoted and adorable puppy and/or kitten.
Oh.
Aww. Ada's real good at crushing our hopes and dreams.
Yeah. We are now producing 300 all-clad aluminum sheet per minute.
Nice.
And it is going into the depot.
Perfect.
Time to update my conveyor hotbar. 1 and 2.
Wow, so homing rifle ammo, really fucking expensive.
Okay.
Let me see that. Well, no, I was running out of regular ammo, it looks like. It does take high-speed connectors. I might set up an ammo factory. It takes 20 regular ammo and a high-speed connector to make 10.
Jesus.
So it's not exactly the cheapest resource in the world, but, you know. Just had to see what it was all about. I made some for you, too, by the way.
Okay. Okay, po.
Let me go ahead and split that stack. That's 170 for each of us. What's left in Caterium? Geothermal generators, programmable splitters, and priority power switch and power switch. So, nothing super useful. Let me find something to shoot at and see what this homing ammo is all about. There's no angry things alive by Bennet's base. She actually managed to eliminate it all. All right. That's pretty fucking awesome. I would definitely save it and use it on the bigger enemies. But that was pretty good. It does exactly what it says on the tin. You just keep the big giant reticle vaguely on top of your target, and the bullets will hit it.
Neat.
So yeah, I think that's probably better for the big dudes, where we're focused more on evading their bullshit. All right. Ooh. Hello, signs of industry. Ah, there you are. Whee! Alright, so. Yep, here's 145 rounds of homing for you.
Where? Ah.
So much all clad. And that's just the ingots. Did you say we're making casings?
No, not yet.
Okay.
All cloud is more important.
Fair. Because you mark 5, or starting to mark 5 of the belts, aren't you?
Not yet, but I will be. These things just need constructors, right?
I believe so. Alright, so we have 2 nodes left to go on the Dimensional Depot for 240 a minute upload and the 500% stack increase, which those need 23 and 23 Mercer spheres. At some point, we're going to have to scour the map for Mercer spheres again. remember how the radar tower works, do you?
No. 77. Copy. Paste. Remove.
Oh, well. There's a Mercer Sphere that we've probably passed 7 or 8 times today.
Okay, now we have production of casings. 212.4 per minute.
In other words, we can wrap this last milestone and be done.
Pretty much. Oh, I can up that silica production. It's one of those miners is putting out 600 per minute, so it needs a faster conveyor if I'm actually going to crank the silica production at any point.
Yeah, it does. All right. There's the aluminum
Which one of
sheet.
you is a pure node? That's the regular node. That's the pure node. What? What happened?
I don't know, because that wasn't hooked up to power. Oh, these weren't running. Interesting.
What weren't running?
These two manufacturers. That should not still be blown now.
Well, you remember sinks use a lot of fucking power, too.
Well, the sink's not hooked up. It never was.
Oh, shit.
Are you dead?
Nope, I'm good. I spotted my jetpack in time. Oh, our max consumption is way the fuck above our max production.
But what caused that? Because I never hooked that sink up.
Well, what all have you built down there?
I haven't built anything. I took down 2 conveyor belts and put down an awesome sink, but I never hooked it up.
What was going into the sink?
Nothing. I built a new sink. There was nothing ever going into it because it was never powered.
What were the conveyor belts conveying?
They were conveying the last parts from the space elevator, which means they were just sitting there not doing anything. But I have since...
Did you just switch those off?
I have since switched those machines off.
So what the fuck is happening?
Right. Did I accidentally pull a power line I didn't mean to?
You must have, because, like... Unless somehow something you did caused a whole line of machines to turn back on that weren't running. Because, I mean, all the shit that we've built down here... for aluminum is using a shitload of power.
Right.
The problem I got now is I gotta figure out how the hell to get... I'm on the ground at the water.
Oh, Lord.
Because I could drop some casings into the thing for you to at least finish that milestone. Then tomorrow... Do you have Vippus tomorrow?
I think so. Yeah, we're going to have to diagnose the power grid tomorrow.
And probably add more power. Because I'm pretty sure our production just rate is not high enough. I don't think there's a fast way. Well, I can just build, I guess.
Just kind of tracing power lines right now. I don't see any kind of disconnects here on the main floor. The going out to the coal factory or to the train, to the oil plant.
I'm guessing that the main floor was probably backed way the hell up.
Yeah, and when I pulled this,
And
stuff,
most of all the machines started turning back on because they weren't backed up anymore.
so yeah, it's just straight up. We need more power.
Yep. Get Bippus to make more gas power. I doubt I'll be around tomorrow.
Let's.
I dropped some casings into the thing, so you should be able to. I'm not even gonna bother trying to get back on foot.
Oh, by the way, I looked while I was on break. Go to options, go to gameplay, and set your inventory to keep everything, and that should, I think, let you live.
Oh, you have to do it per player. Interesting.
I hope that works.
Milestone reached. Several parts more efficient and powerful than the human brain can now be made to compensate for many deficiencies otherwise encountered in future development efforts. The blender enables you to mix and/or combine parts and fluids for more complex recipes. Most importantly, project part number 6, the assembly director system, should be produced and delivered to the space elevator as soon as possible.
Oh, did we look at making a power augmenter? Although nitrous that adds like what, 10 megawatts of power or some shit?
They said 10%.
10%. Because I've got 5 summer sloops on me. And 10% isn't a whole lot, but
Where is that thing?
power.
It needs 10 summer sloops.
What? It needs 5. Doesn't it? Am I looking at it wrong? Hang on, am I tripping? Oh, it does need 10, yeah. Whoops. So yeah, just tomorrow y'all are just gonna have to make more power plants.
Yep.
I mean, our factory on the old save, its peak usage is 22 gigawatts,
Sounds about right.
and we have double that in power production.
We could kick this up really easily, and I think it can be done. Geothermal generators will be the quickest solution tomorrow.
Yeah, but geothermal's inconsistent too.
Is it?
Yeah,
Well.
it'll be easier for her to just expand some of the gas power plants.
Yeah.
We still don't have. At what point do we get the power control panels?
Those are... Where are they? They're in here. I saw them. Power switch and priority power switch.
Priority power switch.
It's high-speed connector in 5. It could be made real fast.
Wait, do we have them unlocked?
Not yet.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Where do we unlock them?
I didn't the ma'am. I could probably make them real fast.
Because I could just switch off aluminum.
Hold on. High-speed connector, so...
I'm trying to remember. I think they work from everywhere, so if we just build power switches in various places, you can control the grid from anywhere. Priority power switch allows you to choose the priority of each individual node if you overtax your grid. The power switch is all we need. See, our max consumption is 9.5 gigs. If I disconnect aluminum, it goes down to... What?
I need 50 AI limiters for that.
Yeah, aluminum is consuming like 1.2 gigawatts. I just pulled the power line from aluminum, and we're back up and running.
Yeah, we are. Okay, hold on a sec.
Are you just hand making AI limiters right now?
Yes. I mean, the power switch and the other one can be made pretty quickly.
So what we should be able to do, if I recall correctly how these work, I'll stick one down here at aluminum. It'll just be between the power tower and the first power pole. And then you can just connect one into the grid at the main floor.
Mm-hmm.
See if you can spot where the power comes into the floor, I guess, and put it there. And then you should be able to control all of the different power switches from one, I think.
All right.
Power switch.
Power switch unlocked.
Can
Fixit
you
is
drop
proud to
a
announce
couple
that
of
the
AI
Power Switch
limiters into the
facilitates
thingamajig,
power
please?
grid management through the application of the very latest advances in on-off switch technology. Fixit. It's fun to have power.
There they go.
Thank you, sir. Power switch.
25. I can make the other one real fast, too. And a little bit more quick wire. Oh, almost. We're actually running out of quick wire.
Oh, shit. So then if I switch this on, we should lose power, correct?
Yep.
And go back to the power tower. And turn the other grid back on. I think the priority power switch is what we need.
I'm legit waiting on quickfire right now. Oh, it also needs 500 quick-wire. That's getting done tomorrow.
How did we run out of quick wire? Don't we have like good production of that?
Well, let me just make sure that I've only been looking at what's stored in the sink.
Yeah, there's quick wire production under the floor. I think it might be going into a box.
There it is. I believe I was only pulling from what was in the depot. I got it. I drained everything that was in the depot.
Yeah.
Now, what do you need to make that thing?
Priority power switch unlocked. This assists with power grid management by automatically powering down
high-speed
specified
connectors.
connections when a grid failure is imminent. Use it to prioritize power for the most important infrastructure.
How many?
2.
There you go.
Here. Just get rid of this guy. Priority power switch. A, B. E will be aluminum. Circuit break priority. Off. Okay.
Is that you again?
So if you put one of those down there, you should
The
be
priority
able
switch?
to see, the priority switch. Just put it where the coal line or the coal power line comes in from the main coal plant.
Ah, well, that's over there.
Then you take. So I think it has to go between the coal line and then wherever the coal line goes. So you might have to rewire a couple things.
Or replace this wall outlet Mark II with a Mark I with a Mark II.
Am I crashing? I am crashing. What the hell? How dare you?
Is it supposed to light up like it's got power?
No. So it has to go between the power input and everything else.
Oh, Lord. Yeah, it does have to go between. Alright. Alright, that was me taking it out of the line.
Okay. And then make sure you name it. Just name it main floor. You just place another one?
No, I just moved where I had it.
Okay, so that UI gets a little bit busted if you move one while I'm in the UI. I was seeing two unnamed switches for a sec there.
Ah. Okay, now I've definitely broken something because the floor is not on.
Well, you have to turn the switch on first.
Oh, okay.
Although you probably do just have to generally turn the main grid back on.
I feel that I've done something wrong here.
I've switched it back
Wait,
on.
there it goes. You switched what back on?
The power. Because remember, when you ripped the thing out, you broke the grid, so the grid had to be turned back on.
Ah.
So now, if I go over here and do this...
And there goes the main floor.
And then switch it back on. Did that turn the main floor back on?
No. This isn't working like you thought it. Wait, there it goes. It just takes a second.
That was me switching it back on.
All right.
Somewhere we just got it misconfigured. What did you just do?
Broke everything. Do you have the grid turned off out there?
Yeah, the switch is powered off.
Turn it back on.
You mean the turn aluminum back on?
Well, I have no power on the main floor anymore now. What the hell? Wait, there it goes.
Did you remove this? I turned it back on. Did you remove the switch?
Yeah.
Oh, you have no power because you killed the power grid by removing the switch, sir.
But then when I connected power back the way it originally was, nothing came back on.
Because you have to manually turn it back on.
Well, yeah, you're right. Never mind. We'll fuss with this tomorrow.
Well, the main point of having that there is not to control the power of the floor. It's to control aluminum power to be turned off and on.
Or we could just generate enough power. It doesn't matter.
Yeah, yeah. Good luck with that.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, thank you. All right. Well, are we done with... Oh, we need to select a new milestone.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Drones!
But yeah,
Nuclear
we need,
power.
like... basically another 3 gigs of power just to get up to our max consumption.
Well, Bip and I will work on that, if I have her. If not, I'll build a bot power plant, and it will be the most hideous thing you've ever seen.
Well, we could work toward nuclear power, probably.
We'll see. Alright, well, I think I'm done for the day. Thank you, chat, for hanging out. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.